Do you mind if I show tattoo? Right, look, Rebirths, this is a Cod Pro. Morning, gang. Well, I've had a bit of a mad morning. I've been up quite a few hours, but I've been planning where we go next. Pie's lovely. And it's a nice place to chill out. However, I was just picking up my socks from the floor there. However, it's small. And I feel like I've done a lot of already what I want to do. I've got a half-day trip booked today. So obviously, you guys will have seen by now, me can't ride bike. So, I've got a half-day trip booked. And then that'll be pretty much everything ticked off of what I wanted to do here. And it's been a nice, relaxed reset. Little smoke, little vibe, little chill. But the madness, it continues tomorrow. So I've just booked my bus return back to Chiang Mai. And then from there, I'm going to get on an aeroplane. And I'm going to travel to Phuket. I didn't think that I'd be going to Phuket, to be honest. It really wasn't in the itinerary, but I managed to find a really good hotel there and some things that I actually want to do. The thing is, right, there's nothing else around these sort of places that I want to do. So I thought I might as well travel all the way there, maybe take a day trip to, is it Phi Phi or Phi Phi Islands? I don't know, bro. But you know where I mean. And there's some cool activities that I can do that side of things before I fly back over here. So actually, I'm seeing even more than I thought I was gonna. Plus, it's a lot cheaper than Koh Samui and Koh Phangan when I was looking for, you know, staying extra days there. It's even cheaper than here. My hotel was £10 a night, so I can't complain, to be honest with you. So, let's go, get my washing, have a shower, and then we're on for the day. Fresh out the shower, I've got to get to the tour. But look how they present your laundry for only £2 here. By the way, they've accepted my shoes, so they'll be ready today to collect. Might still be a little bit wet, they said. I said I'm used to it. So I make people. Boys, it's just insane out here. Also, I hope you didn't get a peek of my knob there. Alright, we're on way, boys. Listen, mate, take the guy out of it. Can't take it out of the guy, whatever it is. Look at this place, lads. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, stunning. You can get screwed if you think I'm climbing the whole way, though. I'll go to the lions, mate, and die there. I haven't even shown you, have I? Waiting in suspense. What does it look like? I should have put the wide angle on for this. Jesus, lads, that is not... Is it offensive to say Jesus here? I don't know. Anyway, that is not enjoyable in this heat. This trip is not made for fat lads, but we defy the odds. But I am still not going up there. However, the white Buddha thing up there, it's actually all being renovated, so you can't properly see it. Anyway, that's my excuse. I think that one's broke. Take a look at the scenery from here as well, lads, even just from this point. Look at the artwork involved in this. Just the entrance. So to change the car halfway through. I didn't tell you that. But I'm sweating cause. Wow, just wow. We've got to the Chinese village and the viewpoint, and just take a look, man.
Oh, no, this is a different one.
Who would have thought Big Mubski in a Chinese village at this viewpoint? Blessings upon blessings. Thank you guys. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? If you wanna have on my hip I dance, bad man take another sip and dance. The girl want me, I might leave her a chance. Swing to him. Wonder if that's past health and safety compliance. Oh, I'm playing bankers as well. She's looking in my eyes. Wait. You didn't know mubs could move this way, huh? Dog in his seat. I got the best weed in the seas. I need to get a drink. Coca-Cola. Wow. Wow. Cause you ain't no G. 'Cause my cologne and the way I be. You ain't no G. Got it. You can get better stuff here. Oh, mad thing. You can get like dressed up. Look down here, lads. Actually, look at this. How beautiful and cool is that? It's like patterned. All flowers coming off. Don't believe we're allowed there, but yeah. Sick. Look at all the weed there. My favourite sport is staring at someone when they're staring at me to the point that they look away. I'm undefeated champion. You can get smoothies here, but I ain't about that. No smoothie gang. Straight Coca-Cola, cocaina, coca. What would you say? Coca-Cola. That's what I want. First person to believe in a Chinese village. Listen to bassline. Okay, so this is a traditional Chinese village just in the heart of Pai in Thailand. Bad boy, to be fair, it looks sick. Look at that view, man. What's this? Archery. Oh, get me there. Swadika?
Sawadika. You play?
How much?
50 baht.
Yeah.
One set, two set.
2 set.
Two set hả?
Two set.
Oh, no, 1 set. Sorry,
One
just
set.
me, just me.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
One set, two set, three set.
Grab my bow. Mate, this is fucking murderous. Aim higher than what you think you're going to need to. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Isaac, can you take this?
Maybe not that high. Yeah, you know what I mean? It's harder than it looks, isn't
It
it?
is a lot harder.
Bro,
They make it look easy on the move.
facts. Could have swore I had it there, boys. Do you know what I mean? I tried. If you hit the cross-eye, bullseye, then you got like a duck. But I fucking didn't do it. I want to go again, mate. I hate something defeating me, man. You know what I'm like. But no, mate, I slaughtered it. I did well. But yeah, fuck. You can watch these lads doing this, because if you think I'm doing it, you must be smoking hard MCAT. Oh my god, there's a BB gun place. Fuck that. We're going there. Right now. This is where I excel. Come on. Come on. This is Call of Duty practice. 15 bullets. Hello. Sawadika? Yeah. Bang. 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 Simple. But I'm hitting. Are you mad? Right? Bang. Mate. Am I blowing a dog in a ditch? Bang. Don't mess around. You see me? too. Are you crazy? Just backwards and forwards. It's easy for me, lads. I absolutely bossed all of them. Thank you. Mate, that was what I needed. Fucking battered all them cans. Didn't win out for that one, but you heard, hopefully you heard the shots. Gunshot for fire, bang. Absolutely Clarkville. Do you know what I mean? And when I say Clarkville, I mean Clarkville. So archery's not my thing, but then BB guns, the Call of Duty practice, do you know what I mean? We had it, we boxed it. Simple. I hope you got that reference, by the way. If you did, comment it. Am I blowing a dog in a ditch? Where's it from? So we've got 30 minutes here on this little tour. It's like a coffee break, but hopefully they've got some scran because I ain't eaten yet. So grab some fucking fruit. I didn't think I'd have enough time to get an actual meal, so I got some vanilla toffee cake and banana cake. So let's give it a try, and then I'll show you the scenery. Banana cake first. It's a bit warm. Nice. It's banana cake. And vanilla sticky toffee pudding now. Smackers. Absolute rinse FM. And this is where we're eating. Got a little cat man. So we're at a natural waterfall, obviously. Well, no, it can be man-made, innit? Fucking hell, the steps are a bit wild. Workout central today, gang. I'm at the top, fucked again, but we're good. Right, somehow I've got to pass this. I am unsure, but we'll do it. I made it. Let's go in. Oh my God. Hopefully this person will record me. Hold on. Stop it. Sun's out, comes out. I met this lass on the tour. What's interesting, do you mind me showing you tattoo? Huh? Do you mind if I show tattoo?
You can show that.
Right, look, Rebirth says she's a COD pro. Well, I'm on the famous bamboo bridge here, and it spans the whole way around here. I'll tell you what, being a fat lad on this, mate, it's making sounds I don't want to hear. Oh, you heard that? Crickety crick, mate, I'm scared. Oh my, nah, that's not normal. That is not normal. That is a bit of a mad one. But yeah, we made it here. Although, to be honest with you, I don't have a lot of interest in it. I'm going to go down there to the cafe, have a drink and that, but it's not stereotypically my cup of tea. Oh, fuck it, mate. I'm telling you, it's cracking beneath me. I'm telling you, boys, this ain't sturdy. Mate, I have completely come out of my comfort zone. I tell you that much. I would have never ever, how many times have you heard me say this? I would have never done something like this. And yes, I'm taking it slow, but Jesus. Mate, I'm well happy. My legs are still fucking shaking from the waterfall. I can't believe I did that. Genuinely, I cannot believe that I did the waterfall. Amazing, absolutely amazing. What an experience. Right, come on, I can make it to the cafe. Oh, oh, come on, it's fine, love. Bear, oh, bear people, come on, this. Get the fucking flies off me. Come on. There we are. There we are. Got to give my ticket in. It's there, I think. Yeah. Swadika. Thank you. So that's the little ticket you get. It costs 30 baht to get in here, which is what? I don't know. 50p, I guess. Here I am, lads, with my bottle of water. Chilling here for a bit. We've got 45 minutes, so I just want to chill now. Just sat back chilling, man. What a blessing this is. Thank you guys, as I always say. So thankful. Can't write it, boys. Literally 20 seconds after doing that, saying how blessed I am for this, I checked a note on my phone and dropped it, and yeah. Do I try sit on this, lads? With this scenery? But I think you're actually meant to, I don't know. This is going to go well or bad. I'm on. Nice. Oh. It's gonna fucking bang in it. Pull the whole bastard down. But I'm on it. And this is my view. Lads, would you drink this water for a £5? Lily pads are beautiful though. But would you? Well, I don't know if I told you guys, but I have no idea where we are. Like, from toe to toe. Like, from stop to stop, sorry. I'm not sorry, fuck you. I just booked it off the whim. So we're at the Grand Canyon. Not Grand Canyon, Pi Canyon. And it's absolutely pissing it down. And it's all the way up there to the right. And you can fuck off if you think I'm doing it. Not in this weather. Not for fun. I'm gone. Alright lads, so a bit of an update. Got back. The canyon thing was like obviously wet, cold, and I was just bollocks by then. So waited around. I itched my nose there. So, or I was putting powder up it. No, I wasn't. So, waited for like an hour, came back to the hotel, got a shower, and I've just gone and picked up my shoes. Now I'm meeting, do you remember I told you I met a lovely lass at near the tribe, and we had food then? Well, meeting up again, grabbing some food now, but look at these guys. So you remember I showed you this left one? They've got everything out of it, and that cost me £2. So my shoes are absolutely fine. And yeah, £2. Can't beat it. Other than that cake that I ate earlier, I haven't eaten anything yet today. So I'm absolutely fucking ravenous. And 2 places that we're supposed to be meeting at have been closed. So now I'm through the fucking, like, back streets trying to find this burger joint. Oh, when I get there, mate, it better be fucking banging. Tell you that much. Boys, tell me why this is getting dodgier by the second. I've gone the wrong way. Look at this. Let me put the torch on. You can't even see, bro. I'm literally in the back streets of Thailand trying to find a burger place. Mate, what the fuck? This can't be the right way. I've already gone a different way now. Fuck knows, bro. I am lost though, lads, here. I'll be so real with you. But these are just people's houses. Surely it's not through here. Don't tell me this is dead end. I'll cry. What the fuck, bro? Oh shit. Someone's coming. Oh, bro, indicate, fam. And he sat there like a muppet, bro. Just stepped in a puddle. I can feel my socks all wet. Oh my god. Well, that was a fucking tour. I think we're actually here. It's called Maya Burger Queen. Oh, fucking hell. Just hit my head. Oh my god, it's there. What the fuck? It's been on a fat detour. Right. These are homemade burgers though, apparently. Better be fucking good. Take a look at that bastard. Got some fries as well. And this is the person I've been talking about, Lee. She's absolutely incredible. She's going to be a future Muay Thai champion. You know, when the Coke bottle's been like reused and it's a glass one and they've re-put Coke in it. You see what I mean? You know, it's all like wiped off and that. They're the best Cokes in the world, by the way. By the way, that food was bang. Well, that was a lovely day, guys. Genuinely enjoyed every minute of it. I feel battered now, though. So, I am going to go chill. I'm going to go edit the vlog, ready for tomorrow. Get it uploaded. So, tomorrow, we're getting a bus down from Pai to Chiang Mai. And then getting a plane from Chiang Mai to Phuket. Unexpected trip, but we've had enough chill. Let's get some chaos back, boys, alright? So see you soon. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in a bit. Bye!